close friend, asked us to restore his cherished knives that were owned by his father. Yeah, so we did the first one. That one's been completed about a week ago or so. And now we're going to tackle the second one. This is going to be another refurbish, if you will. Okay, we're just going to bring this back to a better state. This leather piece, this leather leg tie, is broken. You can see where it's broken off. So we're going to actually replace that with one that will be able to be utilized to tie it around your thigh. Okay. We're going to refurbish the leather sheath. The retainer snap is missing completely. You can see where it's broken off. Okay, so we're going to replace that. Match the leather on that as close as possible. Okay, we're going to start the sheath by removing the leg strap, which is definitely broken. Okay. We're going to put a new one on there, a new strap. Okay, leg strap. The strap is meant to give you the ability to tie this around your thigh, your leg, so the knife doesn't just flap all around, you know. So I'm going to take this off, and we will end up putting a brand new strap on there. Trying to go as easy as possible, not to damage the leather here. There we go. Okay. So that's off. We also need to remove the retainer, or this is more like a rivet. Where the actual strap goes. I want to be really careful with this rivet. It'd be very easy to destroy this 80-year-old sheath. Okay, this thing is not replaceable. All right, so it's one of a kind. All right, so we're going to want to go in from the back here. Okay, so you could see this fastener. Here's the strap, what's left of the strap. It's good that that's in front of it, because what we're going to do is we're going to grind the back of this fastener off. Okay, again, we have to be very, very delicate with this procedure. We got our Dremel tool here with a rounded diamond bit. Alright, so we're going to go in there. Okay, so at this point we removed the old strap that was ripped off. Okay, and also the thigh or the leg strap. All right, so at this point we're going to use some saddle soap, otter wax. All right, and clean it up a little bit. All right, we cleaned that up. The saddle soap, huge difference, as you can see. The threading, the original threading is a lot lighter. The color here is a lot lighter. And we were able to clean up the rivets somewhat. And we're just going to condition that with some Bickford. Okay. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to replace the broken strap retainer. Okay. This is all that was left of it, along with some sort of a rivet. So we're going to replace that. Alright, got some pieces here. I mean, none of these are as dark, but I suspect this, the actual sheath used to be a color like that. This is kind of reddish. We'll go with this. This is probably too light, although I can darken any of these. But I'm going to go with this, the strap. And the leg tie, I don't know if this was original or not. It's pretty light. It's almost an exact match, so we're going to go with that for the leg tie. The way we make a strap is we get a seamstress or tailor's tape measure, okay, and we just measure. We're going to run it through here, put the knife in, and we'll see what we need. It's a 4 inches, probably the number, just to make sure. Alright, so we got our Linda button set. Okay, we're going to go with bronze. Okay, so let's fit that through. Okay, looks like it's going to work. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, don't that look nice? I'm going to bring in some barge. Anytime I do leather work and I want something to stay in place, I bring in barge. Alright, so we're going to put a little bit of the barge back over here. Just a little bit. It just gives it a little bit of extra strength. It's always a good idea. Let that dry. Alright, we'll let the bars dry for 15 minutes. We're going to put that back. Alright. Alright. That is not going anywhere. I can tell you that right now. And we're just going to get rid of that excess glue over here. Just going to use a soft brush. And just clean that up. Going to bring in our heat gun and some beeswax. Alright, so basically making our own lace here. Really easy to do. Grab any piece of leather and start cutting. Okay. Alright, so we get a nice piece of best thing to do with this too is get some Bickford leather conditioner and just run that through a couple times. You can even crinkle it up into a ball. That's usually how I do it. And just, I guess, massage it in. I don't know. Conditions it. Okay. Now you got a nice piece of lace. Okay. Nice piece of leather lace. Alright, so we're going to actually put that now. This is the keef we restored last week. And we've got it laid out right next to the pal. Let's unsheath them. Look at that. Truly, in my opinion, a thing of beauty. What a set. Talk about a good looking set. That's it right there.